Hello there, today we're going to install Microsoft Clipchamp on PC. So click on the Start button, click on the Microsoft Store, click on the search bar and write Clipchamp. Click on Microsoft Clipchamp and click Get button. After a few minutes, the app will install to your computer. Now click on the Open button. Now here, if you're installing first time in your PC, so this page might come. So you have to sign in into a Microsoft account, or you want to sign in with Google or email. So I'll choose with Google. So choose sign in with Microsoft. Click on the account you want to use and click continue. After a while, just wait for some minutes to load, and now you can edit your videos or record videos free. That's all it. Bye.